Hi, this is Richard Ward with MarineMax in North Key Largo. Today we'll be showcasing this 2019 235 XSF. Come around this way, we'll show you the U300 Mercury horsepower. This boat is equipped with a rear bench. It has a 9-inch Garmin screen, GPS system, hardtop, glove box, fusion radio, and up front we have a sun lounge, bow cushions, backrest, really comfortable for the family to head out in the water. Great sandbar day. With a pump out system. To schedule a showing on this 235, please contact MarineMax in North Key Largo. Thank you.